Use a tri-square to mark the position of the horns around the head of the window frame and remove the waste material with a handsaw. Repeat this process on the bottom of the frame on both sides of the windowsill. Some situations may require a portion of the weathering on the front of the sill to be retained and returned around the front of the window reveal, although this is not shown in this demonstration. The window frame should be positioned on a clean, level surface to enable the casements within the frame to be removed. This will reduce the weight of the frame during installation and also prevent damage to the casements. Measure the overall dimensions of the window frame and compare these sizes against the window opening in several positions. The window opening should also be measured across the diagonals to ensure it's square. An incorrectly installed frame could lead to the glazing not fitting and the casements failing to operate properly. Ideally, the opening should be marginally bigger than the window frame. This allows packing to be inserted in various positions around the outside of the frame to make adjustments until the window is both level and plumb. Place the window frame into the opening with an even margin on both sides. The position of the frame within the depth of the wall will vary depending on the wall construction. Use pairs of folding wooden wedges to pack the head of the frame above the jambs and mullions to temporarily hold it in position whilst it's checked with a spirit level to ensure it's both level and plumb. The folding wedges can easily be adjusted by sliding them together to increase the thickness of packing or sliding them apart to decrease the packing. Once the frame is suitably packed, level and plumb across the head of the window, the process can be repeated along the jambs of the frame until the frame is secured. Care should be taken at this point to ensure that the frame is not distorted due to overpacking. Use a power drill to bore several pilot holes through the rebates in the jambs, either below or through the folding wedges. This will ensure the packing stays firmly in position if shrinkage occurs in the timber. Using a countersink bit will ensure that the head of the fixing screws will be sunken below the surface of the rebates when inserted. Alternatively, the heads of the screws can be bored well below the surface with a counterbore drill bit and filled with a wooden plug. The portion of folding wedges that protrude the faces on both sides of the window frame should be removed with a handsaw, before re-hanging the casements back in the frame to complete the installation of the window frame.